Pope Francis talks a lot about encounter. And what he means by that is it's a special meeting of people. It's a meeting of people where there is respectful dialogue and attentive listening. And often it's about people who have different perspectives and might be from different backgrounds. But he says that's the way we build a strong sense of community. That's the way we build global community. That's the way we realise that we are sisters and brothers together in this one common home. Recently, we had our national elections, and I suspect that both major political parties didn't do as well as they could have because they weren't listening attentively enough to the electorate. In the same way, our Association of St Marcellin Champagnat needs to hear from its members. We need to hear from you. We need to hear from each other. It's only in that way that we can build a strong community, a strong network. We have our third National Assembly coming up in August. We have 2 online events before that. I really hope you've registered for those events because we need to hear your voice. We need to hear each other. We need to be able to dialogue and to plan together. And that's what the Assembly is all about. So if you haven't yet registered, please do. I look forward to seeing you at our National Assembly.